sound effect. You'll hear it in your earphones or like in the video. If you are trying to record a video, you'll hear it in your video. It's a program, you can download it and get any keyboard sound effect. So this is the program, guys. When you open it, you can get any keyboard sound effect you want. Like, here is my keyboard sound. Listen. If I open the program and I choose like the blue one, listen. Or like I can get the brown, the purple, and any one of these keyboard sound effects you can get. And my advice is to get the blue one. The blue ones is so good, and usually that's the pro gamer's keyboard sound effect. Like, listen. So, of course, the program is for free. You don't need to pay anything. I will leave the link of the program in the description of the video. So, if you want the app to run with your PC, press the Windows key and R in the same time, and after that, right here, shell start up, and click OK or enter. And here in this little window, get the app and put it right here. After that, it will run automatically with your PC. And of course, you can close the program from here and it will run with no problem. So that was the video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and thank you very much for your support. See you in another video.